Get rid of your old crappy camper mattress and get a real mattress. This week on Twisted M Living.
Maybe got a new dog bed. We always get our mattresses local. Original Mattress Factory. They have a couple of locations in Raleigh. They actually make them in Raleigh. They actually made our bed this week. Like, we went Friday night and ordered it. They make custom size. You can customize what size it was. So we did, it's a queen size bed. But then a camper, we did a camper queen. So it's a little shorter. I don't know how many inches.
About 4.
Yeah. Toes probably hang off a little bit, but that's okay. We can still get around our bed. And so, fold it up and put it in there. We just picked it up. Today's Tuesday.
And one more thing to remember, for weird sized bunks, they also make foam, custom cut foam beds. They can cut that to whatever size, but this is actually an inner spring mattress. It's not foam. So they're kind of limited of what size they can do, but they can do camper queen and king and all that. But for like the weird size bunks, it is foam.
Can you play the Macho Man soundtrack behind this?
Yeah. Grab a side.
Oh gosh, it's heavy. No, it kind of is. It's not supposed to be heavy.
I like being the film crew on this.
Ow.
Don't forget to follow us, Twisted M Living, on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Twisted M Living. I was like, who ate Cheetos?
Alright, it will fit. Ready?
I vote North Trail contact Original Mattress Factory and work a deal.
Nope. You're gonna have to pull that way. Alright, there you go.
You need help lifting it up?
Yeah, she's going.
But the mattress protector or whatever that we bought is causing, like, it looks like a waterbed.
It's going down a little bit.
Can you stop filming for a second?